front of me is Motorola Razr 30, and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. First of all, just hold your search bar and wait for remove section to show. When it does, you need to drag your search bar to it. And then when remove is white, let go of your search bar. So when I do that, as you can see, Google search bar was successfully deleted from my home screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!